Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. MIT App Inventor ready, a valid image generation API key, and basic UI components. Open a new project and place a text box labeled Prompt, a button labeled Generate, and an image component. Once done, add a web component and set its URL later to the API endpoint. This isolates networking from UI. Make sure to enable network permissions on your test device. You're beginning with concrete pieces, so subsequent logic connects directly to visible controls and the external API. Now you wire the logic. When the Generate button is clicked, create a JSON payload including the prompt and optional parameters like size or style. Use the web component's post method. Add headers for authorization and content type. Application/JSON. You must encode prompt text safely and include any required keys. Once the web.text event fires, parse the JSON response to retrieve either a direct image URL or base64 image data. Then set the image. Picture property accordingly. Finish by polishing UX and adding resilience. Show a loading spinner while requests run, use TinyDB to cache recent prompts and images, and display clear error messages for failures. Implement basic retry or exponential backoff for rate limits, and validate input length to avoid empty prompts. If things go wrong, capture the web. Response code and response text. Reproduce the same payload in a REST client to isolate server versus app issues. Make sure to protect your API key, and test on both emulator and physical device.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.